Recently we were at Burning Man, a very famous festival in Nevada. We've been participating in this festival for several years, and we're part of the community. And the community of Burning Man is quite a different mix of people. It's very famous for music and drugs, but actually it's not entirely the truth, because it's pretty much famous for tech, new ideas, creative people getting together for a very short time and building something like a city. And while they're building that city, they're all working together. Nothing you can buy or sell. It's everything economy of gift. So you have to be prepared to come to desert for 2 to 3 weeks if you're building the festival, and for 1 week if you're participating in festival. You have to bring with you water, food, everything, and after that it has to be all clean. The nature has to be perfect, and the giant structures that will be built by great artists will be burned. And would you say where that idea came from? The idea came from ancient spiritual traditions. They would, in the Slavic world, it will call Maslenica. They will burn in the spring. They would burn the idols of certain gods and goddesses, which represent life, death, and recreation, to continue life. So to live, you have to die you have to live, die to live, etc. So it's quite interesting the way it's been done in the modern world, with a bunch of enthusiasts and people that have completely different beliefs. One good thing about Burning Man, whatever you believe in, we're accepting you. Even you're the most whimsical believer, we still accept you, as long as you're stay in your ranks and respect us, we respect you, which is very good. Actually, it's a great community approach. There's no intolerance, but at the same time, what does that really mean is that it gives an opportunity to different ideas to reveal themselves and different concepts.